So that is beautiful, my friends. Alrighty, let's go ahead and take a look at the entryway table. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, great news. The GarveeHome entryway table has arrived. This is going to be the 47-inch oak color, but they do offer a deep oak color as well as a 63-inch, a little bit larger if you need it for a entryway drop table. It's a beautiful piece. Let's jump right on into it. And as we get started with the video, top link in the description box right below the video, as well as the pinned comment, is going to be this exact same entryway table by Garvey, where you guys can read more about it and pick it up yourself after the video is done, of course. Packaged up just beautifully. Let's check it out and see what we got. Alrighty, almost completed. Has not taken me that long to put it together. Now, something to keep in mind, which is something you could have a little hideaway area. So we're going to go ahead and seal this portion up right here. This is, again, it's going to be hollow inside. Now, you could leave that off if you wanted to. If you wanted to like tuck something in there and then push this up against the wall, little hiding spot, nobody's going to really think of anything of it. If you want to take it a step further, you could hide something in here and then seal it up, because we still have one more piece that we need to go ahead and seal up like this here. So again, that's going to be hollow on the inside, so you could potentially have yourself a little storage compartment in there. Now, the only issue putting this together that I came across was these are labeled as E, and everything is labeled. That the little packages that you do get, everything is again labeled. So these are E's. Now, these are supposed to be Phillips, but they're actually Allen wrenches, and they don't give you an Allen wrench for these screws. Luckily, I did have one already accessible, ready to go like this right here. Now, some of these spots, this is going to save you a lot of time, compact drill, putting it together, but there are some spaces in between these little posts that you need to use the provided Phillips screwdriver. It's a very small one. You're able to reach in there and tighten it down. So, but majority of the time you're going to be using this compact drill driver. Highly recommend for efficiency. Alrighty, let's go ahead and take a look at the entryway table. Please forgive, I am in a full remodel, but let's go ahead and take a look at what you can do with this table. So again, if you want the back open, you don't have to put on that last piece if you don't want to, for a little storage compartment in there, but looking very, very sharp. And let's go ahead and take a look. It's a beautiful piece. So again, they have it in the dark oak and the oak. So again, look at the listing. Make sure that you're getting the dark or the oak. Alrighty, let's go ahead and take a look at that color just a little bit closer. Now, I'm pretty sure the company sent out the oak color. This kind of looks a little bit more darker, but the listing does say that in certain lights, it does lighten up or kind of darken a little bit, but this is supposed to be the oak color, not the deep oak, but it's beautiful nonetheless. In the perfect world, I do wish it was a little bit lighter, kind of matching a little bit more of maybe this lighter look to it here. Okay, after looking at the listing, this actually is the oak color. Just looks a little darker in certain lighting, and then it lights up in certain lighting. So go with the one that you feel more comfortable with for your home. This definitely is beautiful, and if the light hits it just right, it will lighten up a little bit. But again, very nice. Sturdy as well, even though it is hollow and those pieces are thin, you can definitely put some beautiful pieces on that. With the archway, as you can see right here, just lovely. So that looks absolutely beautiful right there. And again, forgive the remodel. I don't have my flooring in, but as you can see here, you can put things down below. You can put shoes, you can put another piece of decoration. So that is beautiful, my friends. Again, solid on the outside here, going all the way down, up and around 47 inches actually is perfect. Now, I'm either going to keep it right here. I wasn't planning on it, but actually that fits really, really well with this precise area right here, because with the full remodel, this is going to be just a walkway right here. And I wasn't really sure what to do with that wall. Now, forgive the messiness in the kitchen. I am packing for a trip as well, and I did move my shoes out of the way. That's where they were. But there's going to be plenty of room to walk by here, as well as have the center kitchen island right here as well. So that's a great little fit. I was actually planning on putting this in my other part of my house, in my foyer, fancy word, but this might potentially stay right here. Now, also what people are doing is if your couch, now eventually, again, okay, I'm sorry, my house is a little bit messy right now. I'm packing for a surf trip. So this couch, not this precise one, but one like it, is eventually going to be going right here in an L shape. That's why the television is on the floor. This is going to be the main focal point, right? So I'm going to have a couch right here in between the kitchen island right here, coffee table, everything is going to shift where the surfboards are right here. So what people do, and you'll see in the listing linked below, is that if your couch is like that, where there's room behind it, people actually put two of these, depends how long it is. If you need 247s or 263s, they put these behind the couch, which is perfect so that you can have little trinkets like this. And so you're not just looking at the back of a couch. Again, look at the listing below. You'll see photos. It looks very, very nice. I actually was thinking about doing that for my theater room. So I'll have to get a couple more, honestly, because then what you do in that case is if people come over, there's a lot of people, you could even bring some stools. You can even put a stool right in there, right there, and they could eat off the top of this right behind the couch. I know they make like official tables like that, but two archways would look very, very beautiful in my personal opinion. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that is a beautiful entryway table. So overall, this is a thumbs up in my book. Simple, but it makes the space look beautiful, especially with your decorations. Once again, top link in the description box below is going to be this same exact entryway drop table. I'm just going to call it a drop table, entryway table. Again, as well as the pinned comment. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this, as well as this entire house being remodeled and finished. And your links are below as well as the pinned comment. You guys enjoy your day and I will see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.